Jasmy's exchanging pair on Binance. US is being delisted. In any case, Jasmy will keep up with correspondence with Binance US and keep on advancing their center plans and advancement guide. Jasmy Grant has sent off DApp and $JASMY on CoinHub wallet. JASMY is presently accessible for trading on Gardarian. The posting is supposed to carry more thoughtfulness regarding JASMY and its expected effect on the blockchain business. Jasmy Coin Value Forecast. Is Jasmy Coin a wise speculation? Jasmy is a blockchain stage zeroed in on giving information security and sharing administrations in the IoT time. As an association, Jasmy creates decentralized IoT stages utilizing a decentralized stockpiling organization. As an association, Jasmy creates decentralized IoT stages utilizing a decentralized stockpiling organization. Jasmy stage is utilized to make and keep up with the framework essential for putting away, getting to, and trading information by the information proprietors. Jasmy's blockchain stage is utilized to recuperate and safeguard individual information. The Jasmy stage gives the foundation important to information proprietors to store, access, trade, and in any case utilize their own information safely and securely. The metaverse applications based on the Jasmy organization can trade information between themselves utilizing the Jasmy innovation. Here are different realities about Jasmy crypto. Key steps in the initial step. With the assistance of the Web of Things, clients can securely store code, text, data, pictures, recordings, movement, and sound for metaverse utilizers. Whenever this is finished, Jasmy gives a changeless, remarkable, and decentralized character arrangement. It helps the blockchain to lay out a computerized personality. In the subsequent stage, the Jasmy convention empowers the creation and capacity of characters, gear, skins, and other metaverse game resources as non-fungible tokens. Jasmy blockchain likewise gives a stage to utilizing IoT innovations, sensor modules, expanded reality, and VR gadgets. The clients are even permitted to trade the Jasmy coins with products identical to the worth of the Jasmy coin on Jasmy's co-administrators. Jasmy organizations Toyota Jasmy Coin has collaborated with Toyota, a vehicle organization, to fabricate a stage for recording traveler information for Japan. It has likewise joined forces with WITS, a movement specialist co-opus, to satisfy the above reason. According to Jasmy's white paper, with this organization, Jasmy means to be the first to understand Japan's business plot of driverless vehicles. Sony, a couple of days prior, a declaration said that Jasmy could before long band together with the world's one significant diversion organization Sony. Will Jasmy hit $1? How is Jasmy unique? Jasmy is intended for IoT, the Web of Things. Presently, what is the Web of Things? IoT, or the Web of Things, is the association between gadgets through the web, empowering the sharing and getting of information between these gadgets. The gadgets could be PCs, vehicles, telephones, and so on. As a blockchain, Jasmy is worried about metaverse information security and trade. With the universe of metaverse growing, one critical issue inside the metaverse and blockchain universes is the absence of a successful, decentralized information capacity framework. Jasmy becomes possibly the most important factor in this field and consequently separated itself from the remainder of the blockchain. With metaverse applications based on the organization can lay out direct scaffolds for information trade between themselves. Jasmy offers a protected, client-situated climate in which information can be put away, saved, or traded. To accomplish this, Jasmy follows 4 stages. The means are metadata stockpiling, making an ID vivid games, universes, IoT gadgets, and gear. Jasmy contenders MXC. MXC is utilized to distribute, sell, and exchange information on an NFT commercial center. It utilizes a publicly supported IoT organization. VeChain. VeChain is normally utilized in store network the board. It is likewise used to distribute, sell, and exchange information on an NFT commercial center. Helium. Helium is utilized to oversee low-volume information to the web for a minimal price. The heft of Jasmy's rivals is customary endeavor programming security firms. Jasmy Coin is a utility token and depends on the ERC20 convention. Jasmy Coin. The ERC20 coin assumes a significant part in driving the stage. It is the local badge of the Jasmy environment, and subsequently it is utilized as administration as well as a gaming token on Jasmy games. Jasmy Coin is utilized for purchasing in-game resources in Jasmy games. Jasmy is utilized for marking and as well as remunerations on the Jasmy stage. Since Jasmy is worried about information security, Jasmy Coin is utilized to get to information accessible in Jasmy's information storage spaces. Jasmy Coin is additionally utilized for deciding on the Jasmy stage. In this manner, is Jasmy Coin a wise venture? While it positively offers a few benefit and security, the interest for Jasmy tokens is probably not going to be huge as shoppers and organizations have different choices. Subsequently, Jasmy is totally reliant upon overabundance liquidity to develop and aggregate. a profoundly speculative digital currency. This is exhibited in the presentation this year. Dissimilar to most altcoins, Jasmy started to fall significantly sooner in February and has lost 95% of its worth. It has fallen a further 24% over the most recent few weeks, inferable from the FTX outrage. It is conceivable that Jasmy will recuperate soon, however, that is provided that the utilization cases grow and there is an adequate base market for such a digital money. Will Jasmy hit $1? Is it plausible? There are various issues with Jasmy. It is working in a profoundly cutthroat business with various choices for buyers and organizations as an outcome. The interest for Jasmy tokens is probably not going to develop essentially consistently. Therefore, Jasmy has been subject to the central bank's overabundances. Jasmy should rise 256x to reach $1. That means a market cap of $4.70 billion. Numerically and in principle, this is achievable. Numerous tokens have figured out how to accomplish this objective. Be that as it may, there must be serious advancement in Jasmy coin use cases to legitimize these levels. Right now, we can say that Jasmy is probably not going to arrive at these levels. Jasmy coin value expectation. Will Jasmy coin reach $10? Jasmy coin's ongoing business sector cost is $0. Consequently, it expects to develop by multiple times to arrive at a value level of $10. Presently, Jasmy arrived at its untouched high worth of $4.30 in February 2021, where it developed by around 3.3 times in under 1 month. Subsequently, taking into account its 3.3 times development in 1 month, we can say that the Jasmy coin can require about 68 years to reach $10. Above all else, it isn't even down to earth to hang tight for quite some time for Jasmy coin to arrive at that worth. Furthermore, it could require significantly greater investment to arrive at that esteem on the grounds that the economic situations presently are altogether not quite the same as that in 2021. Hence, we can't anticipate that Jasmy should reach $10. Jasmy value expectation. Can Jasmy hit $100? Jasmy coin requirements to develop by multiple times from its ongoing worth to arrive at a value level of $100. Presently, Jasmy arrived at its record-breaking high worth of $4.30 in February 2021, where it developed by around 3.3 times in under 1 month. Consequently, taking into account its 3.3 times development in 1 month, the Jasmy coin will require at least 5,411 months. Thus, it isn't the slightest bit common sense for Jasmy to arrive at that worth in the future, since it could require significantly more investment than determined. Thusly, Jasmy coin can't hit $100 before long. Jasmy value expectation 2023, 2025, 2030. Jasmy value forecast 2023 is $0. Jasmy value expectation 2025 is 1 cent. Jasmy value forecast 2030 is 5 cents. Jasmy guide 2023. Jasmy as of late delivered its guide for the year 2023, which incorporates development of the stage release of English variant coordinated with AVITAS capability, launch of Jasmy award, development of a man-made intelligence motor, development of carbon credit consortium, start of information worth trade.